Hi first graders, today we're going to learn how to do our first PowerPoint slide. So we're going to go and find our PowerPoint app. It's this orange box. We're going to right click one time. Then we're going to move our mouse up here to this blank page and we're going to right click again. Then we're going to move our mouse down to these big letters and right click again. And we're going to type the word sunflowers. And then we're going to move our mouse down here to these little words and we're going to type how they grow. Then we're going to move our mouse back up to the big word and right click once. We're going to move our mouse over here to this little circle until you see the arrows. Once you see the arrows, you're going to right click and hold it down, and you're going to drag your mouse across the screen so that our box gets smaller and our word sunflowers fits better. And once it does, we're going to let go of our mouse. We're going to do the same thing with the little letters. We're going to move our mouse over to the little circle, right click, hold it down, drag our box over here so it gets smaller and our word fits better. And then we're going to let go of the mouse. Now we're going to go back up here to the word sunflowers, and we're going to move our mouse up here to this dotted line until we see 4 arrows. Once we see 4 arrows, we're going to right click and hold it down, and we're going to move our whole box over here to this side of the page. Be careful not to go past the page. We want our word on the white part of the page. Anywhere in this general area is fine. We're going to do the same thing with the little letters. We're going to click, move our mouse up to the dotted line until we see the 4 arrows. Click again, holding our mouse down, and move our box over here somewhere under the big letters, and then we're going to let go of our mouse. Now we're going to insert a picture of a sunflower. So we're going to click on Insert on our toolbar, and then we're going to click on Online Pictures. It's a picture, it looks like, of a mountain, a globe, and maybe a sun. We're going to click one time, and then we're going to type in the word chicken. No, just kidding. We're going to type in the word sunflowers because that is what we are doing our presentation on. Then we're going to move our mouse over here and hit search. You'll see the magnifying glass. You're going to click on that one time. And now we've got pictures of sunflowers. We're just going to pick this first sunflower. We have to double click it, and you remember double clicking is hard. We have to click twice very fast. And there's our picture of our sunflower. Now we're going to move our mouse over somewhere on the sunflower, and you see we have 4 arrows again. We're going to right click and hold it down, and we're going to drag our sunflower over here so our words aren't covered up. And then we're going to let go. And you guys have just completed your first slide in PowerPoint. Good job.